Window washing is a practical life activity where your little one will learn about caring for their home. Dr. Montessori talked about the activities of practical life as ones that are just that, practical, make sense, and allow children to contribute to their home and world from a very young age. They are often activities your little one sees you performing around the home and in life that fall under a few categories: care of the home, care of themselves, and grace and courtesy, also known as social norms or manners. Their benefits stem well beyond a clean window or mirror. The whole body integration of movement towards a goal is extremely important for their development of executive functioning and motor planning. When introducing window washing, do so in front of a low mirror, window, or sliding door. Begin by telling your little one the names of each of the items. This is window washing. We're going to use it on this window. This is a spray bottle. It has water in it. This is a squeegee. This is a drying cloth. Point out any fingerprints or dust on the window or mirror you're going to clean. Watch! Hold the spray bottle with 2 hands, with fingers on the trigger and thumbs on the back. Squeeze the trigger once or twice, modeling how to get water on the window. Pause to notice the water. I sprayed the window. With something as exciting as a spray bottle, it's going to be important to involve your little one right away. Offer them a turn to spray for as long as they'd like, and then say, "I'm going to show you what comes next." Pick up the squeegee and place it at the top left part of the water droplets, while noticeably pressing down. Slide the squeegee from top to bottom. Modeling using force as you pull the squeegee all the way down emphasizes the purpose of the tool and provides instant feedback as the water disappears. Now you can invite your little one to use the squeegee on the other half of the window too. Moving from left to right and top to bottom indirectly prepares and organizes your little one's brain for reading in the next few years. Next, point out the wet squeegee to your child and use the cloth to wipe any drops off the squeegee. Show your little one the squeegeed surface so they can see the difference between the wet and dry surface. Invite your child to take a turn with the squeegee on the rest of the window. Notice the difference once they've finished. Finally, say to your toddler, "Let's dry off all the drops now." Use the drying cloth with your whole hand. Dry the window or mirror from top to bottom and left to right once again. Offer your child a turn to dry the rest of the window, and when they're done, admire your work together. Another benefit to this work is the self-confidence boost your little one gets when they realize they're contributing valuable work to their family. When you've finished, ask if they'd like to find another window to clean, encouraging repetition again and again. At first, this activity might seem like more work for you than it's worth, but soon, your little one will be able to complete the task in a way that is truly helpful. When they've mastered glass surfaces, you can move on to cleaning the table after dinner or the floor after a spill.